Hello guys, good day and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to the YouTube channel, please subscribe to encourage us and enable us to produce more beautiful videos as this. Alright, today we'll be looking at a relatively beautiful question. That's for those who love maths, of course, a beautiful question. Now, this question reads us 36 raised to power 1 over 2 times 64 raised to minus 1 over 3. That's the negative of cube root. Then we'll have times 5 raised to power 0. Now, applying the law of indices, we take note of the fact that whenever you see a math problem where you have a figure raised to 1 over 2, what it means is this. It means you look for the square root of that figure. So we look for the square root of 36. This means the square root of 36 times, we have 64 raised to 1 minus 1 over 3. According to the law of indices, what this means is this: 1, the cube root of 64, you get that, times 5 raised to power 0. 5 raised to power 0, according to the law of indices, same thing as 1. Having done this, we move straight, we look for the square root of 36. The square root of 36 is 6, because 6 times 6 gives us 36. Because the square of 6 is 36, therefore the square root of 36 is 6. Times 1, the cube root of 64 is 4, because 4 times 4 times 4 gives us 64, times 1. Now, we move ahead and we multiply all the figures up. We multiply this together, we have 6. Bring our denominator, which is 4. Bring our denominator here, 4. So we end up having 6 over 4. Solving further, we have 6 over 4. However, this is an improper fraction, so we try to make it a mixed fraction. But before we do that, we reduce it first. To reduce 6 over 4, we look for a figure that can both divide 6 and can also divide 4. 6 and can also divide 4. That figure, that number is 2. So 6 divided by 2, we have 3. 4 divided by 2, we have 2. So we end up having 3 over 2. This is still an improper fraction. To make this a mixed fraction, we'll divide a numerator by denominator. A numerator 3 divided by denominator 2, we have 1. And we're left with 1. We put the remainder here, 1 as a new numerator. Now, from a denominator, which is 2, we write at the bottom. This itself is our answer. Our answer is 1, number 1 over 2. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you some other time.